You'll never throw away empty tin cans after watching this. So, how many tin cans do you toss out each week? Be honest. Soup cans, coffee tins, canned tomatoes, you name it. Most of us just use what's inside and chuck the can without a second thought. But what if I told you those humble little cans are actually some of the most underrated problem solvers in your home? Seriously, tin cans are sturdy and endlessly reusable. And today, I'm going to show you 10 smart, no-nonsense ways to reuse them around the house. No wind chimes, no Pinterest crafts that take 5 hours and a glue gun. Just practical, useful stuff you'll actually want to try. Ready? Here we go. First up, herb planters. Tin cans are the perfect size for growing small kitchen herbs, such as basil, mint, and parsley. Just punch a few holes in the bottom for drainage. Add some potting soil and pop in your seeds or starter plants. Line them up on a sunny windowsill or hang them on a fence for a vertical garden vibe. Bonus points if you label them with chalk markers or cute little tags. Now you've got fresh herbs at your fingertips, and you saved money on pots. That's what I call a win-win. Coming in at number 2, gift and party favor packaging. Okay, this one is a little more creative, but still practical when you need a quick, charming container. Clean out a tin can and fill it with candy, baked goods, or small gifts. Add a ribbon or tag, and suddenly you've got a rustic, Pinterest-worthy gift without the Pinterest stress. These are especially great for holiday treats or kids' party favors. No fancy containers required. Number 3, mini bouquet vases. You know those times you clip a few flowers from the yard? Tin cans are perfect for that. Wrap them in twine or just leave them plain. They make charming little flower vases for your dining table, nightstand, or bathroom counter. It's an easy way to add a pop of life to any space. And since they're shatterproof, they're ideal if you've got kids, pets, or a case of the Butterfingers. Alright, number 4 is one of my personal favorites. Kitchen utensil organizer. If your kitchen drawers are bursting at the seams with spatulas, wooden spoons, and ladles, grab a few tin cans and make yourself a countertop caddy. You can keep it simple and industrial, or go full DIY and paint them to match your kitchen vibe. Then line them up in a tray for a more polished look. You'll not only free up drawer space, but you'll make your go-to utensils super easy to grab. Number 5 is unexpectedly genius. A sharpening station for your garden tools. This one is especially handy if you're a plant enthusiast or a DIYer. Here's how it works. Fill a tin can with sand and drizzle a little motor oil or vegetable oil into it. Then, after you're done pruning, digging, or trimming, just dab your garden tools into the sand a few times. It cleans off debris and lightly sharpens them at the same time. No fancy equipment needed, and it keeps your blades in better shape for longer. That's smart storage and maintenance in one. Number 6 is all about taming the office chaos. Whether you're working from home, homeschooling, or just tired of digging through the junk drawer, tin cans are perfect for organizing pens, pencils, scissors, highlighters, whatever you've got scattered around. You can also use them to roll up USB cables or stash craft tools like glue sticks, washi tape, or tiny bits that tend to get lost. Group a few together in a shoebox or tray, and boom! Your workspace just went from stressful to streamlined. Number 7, paintbrush rinser. If you've ever done a DIY painting project, you know the struggle. Finding something to rinse your brushes in that's tall enough and won't tip over. Well, guess what? Tin cans are the perfect height for soaking brushes upright, whether you're using water-based paint or mineral spirits. And if the inside gets gunky over time, who cares? It's a recycled can. Toss it and start over. No guilt, no mess. Number 8. Bathroom storage. We're talking toothbrushes, razors, makeup brushes, hair combs, things that somehow end up everywhere. Tin cans keep your countertop tidy and give everything a home. You can paint them to match your bathroom or leave them metallic for that minimalist look. They're especially useful for shared bathrooms where everyone needs their own little caddy. Okay, number 9. Battery drop zone. You know those used up batteries that end up rolling around in drawers or getting lost behind the couch? Start keeping a tin can just for them. It's a safe, simple way to collect dead batteries until you can take them to a recycling center. Just label the can "Used Batteries" and stick it somewhere. It keeps things organized and it's better for the planet. Double win. And last but not least, number 10. Garage storage. If there's one place where tin cans shine, it's the garage. Nails, screws, washers, bolts, every tiny item that turns your toolbox into a nightmare, tin cans were made to hold them. You can mount them to a board, magnetize them to a metal strip, or just line them up on a shelf. Want to get fancy? Label each can so you never have to dig through a million nails just to find one screw. They're also great for holding sandpaper, zip ties, garden gloves, or even chalk for marking tires or walls. It's rugged, practical, and basically free. And there you have it, 10 smart, no-fuss uses for tin cans that'll make you think twice before tossing one in the trash. From your kitchen to your garden, bathroom to garage, these little metal workhorses are crazy useful if you just give them a second life. So next time you finish your soup, beans, or coffee, pause before you recycle. You might just be holding the perfect tool for your next home project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.